cracked like broken glass, shouting through the hallway walls, hands that pulled me by the collar, words that felt like heavy stones. I stood there frozen in the thunder, tears I couldn't hide away, while the voices kept on rising like a storm that wouldn't fade. Under blankets, eyes closed tight, trying to escape the sound. Then a woman in a red dress walked into the dark. I found soft brown hair and quiet footsteps in the chaos all around. She wiped every falling teardrop, placed her hand upon my back, breathed in slow, breathed out slowly, like she carried what I lacked.